Colors and textures are key parts to a model railroad layout. Realism is about simulating the textures and colors of real-world objects and landscapes. If you are not so good at mixing colors, use a color wheel. It can help guide you with tinting paints, achieving the right hues, tones, and color relationships. I use water-based acrylic paints for painting scenery and buildings. They can be easily thinned to a consistency you will find easy to work with. With acrylics, the brushes are easier to clean by using water, as opposed to solvents. A common technique is to add color to textures using different patterns or brush strokes. This can look very authentic and can make the object appear as if it has been through plenty of weathering. Also, I believe colors should be used with natural appearances in mind. The focus should be on grays, greens, and browns for the most part, although white paint can be used in winter scenes. White paint is also one of several colors to use when toning down colors or mixing lighter shades.